So in front of me I've got Comiso E6. In this video I'll show you gestures of your earbuds. In the beginning, take a look at your earbuds, and now take a look at the left earbud. Long press for 3 seconds on the multifunctional button to power on, power off. Long press for 1 second to reject incoming call. Click once to answer hang off, play, pause. Double click to select previous track. Long press to volume down, and triple click to activate voice assistant. Now take a look at the right earbud. Long press for 3 seconds, again to power on or power off. Long press for 1 second to reject incoming call. Click once to answer hang off or play, pause. Double click to select next track. Long press to increase volume, and triple click to activate voice assistant. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.